Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. It's that time of the month again when it's time to share with you the top iPhone apps for the month of July. So let's get started. So the first app is called Habits. So Habits is an awesome app that allows you to track your habits in a really simple way. So of course, here are some examples of some habits that I already have written down already. And as you can see, it's very simple. So I just like the style, of course. It's just a minimalistic type of style to your habits. And then when you complete a habit, you just click the check right there, and that's pretty much it. So if you click on this little blue stats here, you get to see your stats of all the habits all together in one page. So from here, you can click your general and see how many habits you completed, highest streak, of course, favorite habit, least favorite habit as well, drink complications, total complications of every single habit altogether, and your percentage as well of completion, which is really nice. But there's also much more detailed information per habit. So let's say I want to see much more detailed information about drink water. Here, of course, you have your current streak, your last completion, the day of the week of when this habit was completed. And then, of course, the app is free to download, but there is an in-app purchase that allows you to unlock the charts as well. So here in the graphs area, you get to have different types of graphs that you get to unlock. So here you have the pie chart, past year, and of course all graphs as well for future updates. So if you want to see your habits in different types of information way, then you have that option with this in-app purchase as well. Next, we have Remillo. So Remillo is an awesome reminders app that is a super simple reminders app that you get to add reminders to. So let's make a reminder, go out for a walk today, and then click the time of when I want to go out and walk. We'll click the time right there, and then that's it, and click, and that's oops. And that's pretty much it. So it's buggy now. There we go. So, and then that's pretty much it to add important reminders from there. And then here you get to add them in list if you want here. So if you want to be reminded about something here, you can add the reminders here. If it's about work, then you could go out and have it for work or for home as well, which is pretty much empty right now for this video. So it's very simple, easy to use. The app is free to download, of course, and there is an in-app purchase, of course, that allows you to unlock much more categories, to create more categories as well when it comes to using this app. So yeah, it's just a really nice reminders app to have. Next, we have HEP. So HEP is a great, interesting routines app. So I've been really into routines app, and when I came across this app, I decided to play around with it for this month. And it's pretty much a simple app that allows you to create routines depending on what type of routines you have during each day. Because each day sometimes is very different, or sometimes it could be the same. So for Saturday, let's say it's a little bit much more relaxed here. So wake up around like 9, of course, alarm, food, and then around 9 to 5, of course, relax, go on my phone, play games or something, check my wallet, bottle of water, if I need to drink water, of course. And then 5 p.m. is pretty much, I might go out, so I need to wear my mask and all that, bring my earbuds as well to go out and relax. So yeah, it's just a really nice, simple app to create your routines. And to add a routine is pretty simple, of course. You just add here, you got to create an icon, select the icon, click add, and that's pretty much it. You create an icon right there to track your routines as well of what you need to be doing that day throughout that time range. Next, we have Waterminder. So Waterminder is an awesome app that allows you to remember to drink water as well. So that's the whole point of this app. Since sometimes, of course, you sometimes forget about to drink water, then this app, of course, will send you notifications to your iPhone that hey, you need to go take some, you need to go some water, you need to drink some water to add to this little cartoon character on your phone here. So what I like about it, of course, is not only how simple it is to add water to the water consumption to the app. So you have 3 versions here, and then you can customize those versions as well. But I use the default one since pretty much that's the size of each cup that we have in a typical household. Or if you're drinking a bottle of water, then it's pretty much the same like that. And then when you complete it, of course, the little avatar character turns all blue. Then that means he's filled up with water, and you pretty much drink enough water throughout the day. And then here, of course, you have your history, of course, when you can drink water, achievements, and settings, of course. And it's just a fun, simple app just to remind you to drink water. And it has an amazing widget as well to remind you to drink water as well of the avatar filling up into water. Next, we have Rooted. So Rooted, if you're like me, of course, then you have and you suffer from anxiety or just any mental health issues, then this app is a really fantastic app that I came across this month. So with Rooted, of course, it's just a super simple app that what I like about this is this big red button right here that allows you to see how you're doing right now. So if you're not feeling that good, then you can click not good, and then it will try to explain to you what you're going through. And these panic attacks are not going to last the whole day or like that long. It's just, it's just, as you can see here, is telling me some information about the panic attack right there. But what I also like about this app, it has some cool little exercises that you can do to try to lower that stress and mental health that you're going through right now. So if you want, you could either have journals here, of course, and start journaling. You could take lessons, of course, to better understand what you're going through as well. Breather. So if you want to look into exercising, and of course the app is free, but there is an app subscription to unlock all these extra time features and much more other features in lessons. Of course, as you can see right here, they're locked. So yeah, if you're looking into trying to find an app to help you with this stuff and manage it a little bit more with the help of technology, then Rooted might be an app for you. And what I like about this is the stats area. So here you can see a lot more stats here of how much you've been using this app and doing a lot of these exercises that are built into the app. So that's pretty much it for this app. Next, we have Audio. So Audio is an awesome, funny app that I came across about, on a random day this month, and it works really well if you have your AirPods Pro or AirPods Max. And this app is pretty much a sound app, but what I came across when what got my attention with this app is the animation. So as you can see, it's just really cool background white noise animation pretty much that you can listen to while you're working around. I do not know what to do when I'm just playing around with this here, but it's just really fun to play around with it. And like I said, I just really like the animation of the app, so that's why I downloaded this app and played around with it and decided to share with this app with you guys for this month. Next, we have Change It. So Change It is an awesome app that allows you to help give you ideas of what you can do to lower your carbon footprint. So with Change It, of course, it gives you a course here. You can see some exercises, and it also gives you, of course, some tips and everything of what you could do to help better offset your carbon footprint on our planet here. So there's a ton of cool little mini exercises and infographics here of what you could be doing to better, leave the earth better as if it was before. And next and not least, we have IBS Log. So if you're like me and you suffer from IBS, then this app will help you a lot. So it's a free app that you can go download, super simple app. And if you guys know, IBS is not fun to have. It's one of the worst things that I personally have to go through every single time with my IBS. Here I have notes, of course, mood stress, food, and then pain bloating as well of how bad the pain is right now. Bloating, of course. Here we have my poop area, so if you want to track your poop of how it came out, which of course in IBS is really important sometimes to track your bowel movement. And then your skin condition, stress, medication, and your notes, which is really nice to have if you want to write down notes and maybe you want to keep them in a safe spot. Then this app is really great. And also, maybe you want to share it and look at the data of what you've been eating. Maybe it's affecting your IBS a little bit more as well, or your mood as well, or your anxiety or something. Then this app could help you as well. So that's pretty much it for the top apps for the month of July for the iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button, like the video, and that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.